Look no further than the 2024 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This masterfully engineered Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is ready to become your partner in business or recreation. Versatile and spacious with available options such as active safety features, four-wheel drive, and diesel, this full-size van offers a premium quality platform for a host of possible applications. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, traction control, adjustable steering wheel. Feel confident and secure in this capable, well-engineered Sprinter. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.